Today we are going to do some grapefruit. I have never freeze-dried grapefruit, and grapefruit was on sale at my local supermarket, so I thought, after watching a lot of videos, I would try and freeze-dry some of these. So, from what the videos I watched today, you take the top and you take the bottom off. Then you cut it around, and they make it look nice and easy on the internet. Well, that wasn't too bad. And you cut that off, trying to save as much of the grapefruit as you can. And that's it. That is the first step. Now what I do with my knife. And then what you do, I'm going to get my eyeballs on for this, is you find the first segment and cut right along the edge of that segment, all the way down. Kind of like that. And then they say you just roll it off like that. Well, that was easy enough. Try it again. Down the edge. And roll it off. Oh yeah. They make it look easier, but we'll do it. There you go. That's one grapefruit done. That wasn't bad at all. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more to do. I will do those off camera, and we'll be right back. Okay, after doing a few of those, I think I got the technique down pretty well. So I'm going to show you this last one I got here. Alright, that's got the peel off. Let's start one segment. Alright. Pick your grapefruit up. Just help it off of that other segment, like that. Much better. Then I just take my knife, run it along the back end of that segment. This one's falling apart, but we're going to try and get it out anyway. Like that. And roll it off like that. Anything you get left like that's a bonus, because I've been eating them. Alright. What do you think about that? Peel that back. Roll. That off. Like that. This one's already partially off. There you go. And my last one. So there you have it. That was easy enough. Let me put my grapefruit in here. We'll get rid of that. And we'll just lay it out on our tray. This is a medium tray. And that was 5 pounds of grapefruit, but obviously we took off quite a bit of weight from that by cutting it. We're going to let these run for at least 40 hours, probably a bit longer. But well, I'll let you know. And if I don't let you know, you have to ask me. But I should let you know at the end of the video, once we get it out of the freeze dryer. Get down to the bottom here, they were not as pretty as the top when I got my technique down a little bit better. But the internet is your friend, because that's where I learned it from. YouTube. I YouTubed how to peel a grapefruit. And wouldn't you know, it came out alright. You know I'm going to try and squeeze all these on here somehow. There you go. So we're going to get this into the freezer, get them frozen solid. Once they're frozen solid, we will pop them into the freeze dryer in my next run, and next time you see it, they'll be coming out of the freeze dryer. I'll see you then. Well, hello everybody. These are my grapefruits. They were in the freeze dryer for 42 hours. Those are good. They kind of stuck together because of the sugar. Yeah, I like those. Those can be eaten just the way they are. But I am going to make a powder out of these. If I can get the tray to come up. Because I'm going to be using these in my chocolatiering. Amateur chocolatiering for flavoring. I bet you those would be good just coated in chocolate. But I'm going to do something different with that. As you can see, they come up very nicely. Sweet, tart, not bitter from this membrane. We took that off. Appear to be perfectly dry. We're going to find out in a minute. Yeah, these, you could pack those away and eat them just like that. But, actually, I think I will do half of those like that, because I don't know how much I'm going to need. Powder. And it's always good to have the powder, because you could use that not only in chocolates and sweets, but salads and as a garnish, a flavoring, icing, cakes. You know, the double layers are a little bit harder to get out. You definitely want to use some kind of liner on your tray. For sure. I'll keep those three out just to eat. Alright, let's see if these are dry. I know they are. Pen. Here's just some of that air. Put this in a smoothie. You can do a lot with this. We're going to be using it for my chocolates, but there's a lot of uses for this, I think. Make a nice addition to a frosting on a cake. Put in your smoothie. Alright, so if it's not dry, you'll see a bunch of lumps in there. What do you think? 40-something hours, a beautiful powder. So we're going to put that aside because I am going to be using that. No, I better put that in a bag. Because I don't know when I'll be using that. I don't want it to get lumpy. Alright. Now, I'm going to put an O2 absorber in here, but I got other things to pack from this freeze dryer load, so I'm going to go ahead and just ziplock that shut for now. And we'll come back, we'll put a 300cc O2 absorber in there and do a heat seal on that, and that'll be put away. I'm going to eat those. I'm going to eat these sitting in my computer, I think. Might as well stick them in this bag. Can't use this for what I'm doing next. Alright. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and you find some uses for that grapefruit powder. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.